Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a job, i5 Gen Dell. So this is a nice laptop. This job is coming from a local repair shop. It's a beautiful day outside and I have the morning coffee. Let's plug the charger and see what it's doing. So plug in the charger, instantly it's taking like 400 milliamps. Pressing the power button and nothing happened. Pressing the power button, nothing, it's dead. Okay, so let's open quickly this laptop and try to figure it out what is wrong with. Okay, so the laptop is open. I can see some signs of liquid damage, you can see here. So my first question is, what is taking 400 milliamps? The battery is taking this power? Huh? Let's see. So without the battery, 400 milliamps. So what is this? The board is coming on and it's taking 400 milliamps, or something else is taking 400 milliamps? What do you think? I reset the BIOS and it's still taking 400 milliamps. Let me grab the thermal camera. So we have the thermal camera here. Let's see what's going on here. Lol, what is there? Yo, it's hot. This thingy, that one, that chip is mad hot. Let's go and check under the microscope, see what is the problem. Hopefully this laptop, it will not ruin my coffee time. You know what, everything is looking good here, so what can get hot? Do you think on the what I'm thinking? Huh? Shorted output? Let's check. So you was thinking about the shorted output. 40 ohms coil. 40 ohms is not short, okay? But we have a 3.3 ohm capacitor. And this chip, check this chip has been replaced. So here is no solder at all. And here is a lot of solder. This chip has been replaced. So we have like 3 ohms. 3 ohms on the main power rail. But what is this? Is liquid damage? So the main power rail is 3 ohms. Let me understand. Let's check here. Yeah, the main power rail is 40 ohms. Wait a second. No, 3 ohms. You can see there? 3 ohms. So the main power rail has 3 ohms. So I'm gonna come with some alcohol. Power supply. I'll lower the voltage to like 1 volt. And I will come with power on the main power rail, which is this one, right? And the power supply is not on screen. So it's taking 400 milliamps. That's not helpful. Okay, let's raise the voltage. And it's taking 700 milliamps. Okay, that's not helpful. Let's raise the voltage, like 7 volts. Oh, this is helpful, huh? This is helpful. So what do we have there? Like the motherboard layer is burnt. Let me use more alcohol. Yeah. So coming with power. Check there. There, exactly on the layer. Lol, it was spitting liquid, alcohol. You seen that? Look, it's pissing all around that hole. That's insane. I never seen something like that. How is doing it? I mean, this is like a liquid pump. Check that. I never seen something like that. That's insane. That's funny. I never seen something like that. So what's the problem? The problem is the hole. So the problem is that hole. That's funny. I swear this is funny. I don't think it's the hole. I think it's something on the other side of the board. That's what I think. So I will say let's open and take the board out. And let's have a look. But this is funny. You see, even the electronic device, they are pissing all around when, they are scared or something like that. What the hell is here? Lol. So actually the whole board is looking fine, but check here. Check here the connector. That's insane. Check here the Wi-Fi card. You know what? I believe someone cleaned the board, but didn't clean it here under the Wi-Fi. That's what I believe. Lol, check this connector. It's all black. This is bad. You know what? No. I can't even take the connector out. You can believe that? I can't even take the connector out. It's that rusty. Check here. Check here how many pins are missing there. The screen connector is clean, but you can't see it. So I'm curious to see what kind of damage do we have on the other side of the board. Do you really think, the motherboards, they have like a spirit? Huh? Because this one is proper scared. So that's how the scared motherboards react. Okay, so the motherboard is out. It's not out. Wow. Okay, that's bad. So you remember the hole, the piecing hole, which was here? Yeah, on the other side we have some things. So that can explain why this board it was acting like this. So what is the solution? The solution is to clean it and see what we have here. It's anything what we can fix? Huh? Here we have, you know what, I swear, here is looking like broken layers. Let's check under the microscope. Do we have broken layers? Burn layers? Yeah, for me it looks like a burn layer. Check here behind of the board. Check here. So this is that piecing hole, I believe. Not sure. But you can clearly see the motherboard layer is burnt. Okay, here is fine. But here, It's not that bad, that's the thing, it's not that bad. You can see it's not that bad, right? Okay, so if we clean it, the short is gone now. Let's check the main power rail. The main power rail is fine, it's not shorted anymore, exactly what I told you. So what is here? What is this thing? Oh, this is bad. What is this? How can I fix something like that? You know, I'm going to wash with water because it's insanely, you know, the damage what is on this board. Really doubt I can fix it. But at least I can try. Okay, so I cleaned the board. Yeah, we have a lot of missing components. You see the dots are actually here on missing components. So even if we clean it, it's still bad. Yeah, not sure what we can do here. Nah, it's not even worth, you know, to grab the schematic and replace all those components without knowing if it will work or not. It's quite of a big of risk. Nah, it's nothing what we can do here. And we have this burn layer here, which I can rebuild it, you know what, I can rebuild this track. I can do it. Can't see how this can be helpful. Well, yeah. Let's see, it is any short after? No, no one is shorted, yeah? So the short has been removed. Let's bridge it. So from here to here. Good. Perfect. Let's see what this motherboard is doing now after we clean it. Crazy damage on this board. Okay, so we connect the charging port. Let's plug the charger. Let's switch to 19 volts. I heard a click. It's not doing anything. Let's see if it's charging. Because, you know, if it's charging, that's a sign of life. No, it's not charging. It's completely dead. Dead. Let's check the main power rail. Let's see if it's present. Yeah, 12.5, you see? So the main power rail, actually, it is present. Even on this chip. Yeah, even here. Even here on this chip. So it's not pissing on from that hole anymore, and it's not taking power anymore, you can see. Coming on, no, I don't think it's coming on. I think the 3.3 volts power supply is dead. That's what I believe. But we can check that. So here we have the EC chip. And on the AC chip we have nothing, no voltage at all. Dead. Yeah, dead. Because the 3.3 volts power supply probably is here on this mess. Here, so I believe this chip is the 3.3. Probably is this one. Well, I can't tell you for sure. I mean, I can do some research to find exactly which one it is. But it's pointless, you know what I mean? Here, it's a lot of damage. I mean, if you have time, probably you can do it in like few days, replacing all the missing components. But I'm really sorry, it's not worth. And this is coming from a computer shop, so, you know, I'm getting paid like 2 pizzas, so no. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. I'm really sorry, but it's too much damage. It is possible probably this laptop to be back like working, but here is days of working, you know, just resolder tracks, you know, searching with the schematics, searching for components, replace the components, yeah. So see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, so we're back. And this time we have a nice laptop to repair. Check here, yeah? Dell. Dells are some nice laptops. Here is some liquid. Check here. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. Let me grab a charger and check. This laptop is coming from a local repair shop. Okay, so probably they already try, reset everything. Let me grab a charger. So we have the charger on screen. Plug in the charger. So what do we know? Check there, yeah? Plug in the charger. The voltage is getting dropped to 2.8 volts. The amps is 1.7 because I set up 1.7. I can set up 2. So what do we know till now? The laptop is shorted. Wrong, yeah? So it's not short on the charging port 100%. So even if you check with a multimeter, it's not short here. So the short, based on the fact you have over 2 volts, that means it's passing probably around 2 MOSFETs, your short is on the main power rail, yeah? So this, it will be an easy and pleasant job. Finally starting to get, you know, nice job, shorted capacitors, right? Must be a shorted capacitor. Okay, let's open the laptop and see. Now tell me, where is the shorted capacitor? Come on. Come on, this is easy. This is an easy job. No liquid damage. The easiest way is with the thermal camera, right? Yeah, let's try it. So what I'm gonna do, you know what? I will not even come with the power supply. I'm not using the power supply. I will be using the original charger. But of course, the original charger, which is connected to the power supply, which has a current limit. Because otherwise, if you try with the original charger, the charger will protect itself and it will cut down the voltage, so the current, yeah? So you cannot diagnose this fault with the original charger. You have to diagnose with the power supply where you have a current limit, yeah? So plug in the charger, is still short. Check there. What is there? Oh. You know, the whole area is getting hot. Let's go under the microscope. Let me disconnect the battery. You want to check to see if the main power rail is shorted? We can do that. It's a good idea. Because from what I see here, not sure about that. I mean, looks like it's some large area, can be some MOSFET, can be something else. So let's check. So the main power rail, yeah, 2 ohms, so it is shorted, yeah. So we disconnected the battery. Let's go under the microscope. Let's come with some alcohol. Some alcohol here. Yeah, that's good. Now let's plug the charger and let's pay attention what's going on there, yeah? Plug the charger. And I can't see anything. I can see the capacitor got dry, this one. But that's all. Okay, you know what? This is a little bit more complicated than I thought. So the main power rail, it's actually not the charger power rail, yeah? So the main power rail is lower than 19 volts and is created probably from by this coil, driven by those MOSFETs. We're having this chip as driver, yeah? So it's a little bit more complicated than I thought. It's not like a usual laptop where the charger power rail is actually the whole laptop main power rail. Okay, good. So I will do something else then. I will do what I'm doing normally, usually, yeah? I will come with a power supply, low voltage. And I will come here. Yeah, here is ground. So what is getting hot? We don't know. Okay. Okay. You see, I said, let me do a nice video about, simplifying the things, yeah? Using the charger. But I can't. I can't do it. What is that? It's a coil. It's next to the coil. It's a chip. It's a MOSFET. What is that? This thingy is getting mad hot. Now, why a MOSFET it will get hot? So this is a dual MOSFET. Check there. Has 2 gates, yeah? So this is a dual MOSFET. Let's check the MOSFET, the power supply output. So checking the power supply output, which is this one, right? Is the coil. No, it's not this one, it's this one. And the coil has 1 ohm, you can see. So clearly, you are, you think, okay, because this is getting hot, this is burned. But actually, the output is shorted. So what I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do now is I will come with even lower voltage because I don't know what that power supply is doing. Yeah? On this coil here. Good. So it's taking 2 amps because it has a limit. Yeah, 3 amps sounds better. With 3 amps, what do you think is getting hot? Huh? What do you think is getting hot with 3 amps? Lord. This sucks, When I said this, it would be a nice job. Finally, have a shorter capacitor job. I can't believe. I can't believe. Dead chipset. That's what it is. Oh, this is a AMD actually. This is a AMD CPU. So coming here, we current and check there. Huh? What do you think? This CPU, huh? 3 amps, 0.8 volts. In one corner. Yeah, that's the thing, in one corner. Yeah, I'm really sorry, but I can't fix this. It's a dead, shorted CPU. Can be replaced? Maybe, if you have a good one, but it's really impossible to get a good one. Just to be sure, it's a good one. Yeah. I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.